Alright, here's the box from Tory. Thank you very much from Tory and to me. I'm going to start unboxing it. There. I'm going to go straight down with this one. There. Okay, still hooked at the bottom. I apologize for the poor lighting. There we go. Get that all opened up. Swing her open. Let's see what we've got. Oh, that's nice. I love it. Ooh, W-27. There she is. Ooh, I love it already. Ooh. That's a nice looking fan. It could use a little bit of the knob. Where did the knob go? Did it fall off? Hang on a second. Speed control dial is not here. Let me see. Maybe it was taken off or in a baggie or something. There she is. There, she found it. It's in a little bag. There it is. Little dial. Stick it on. There we go. There's something else in here. It looks like a piece of something. That's nothing. Move this box out of the way. Still got the original handle on top, which is nice. Let's unwrap it. This one has the push-in grills, unlike my W-22. Oh, I love it already. Get that out. There's the back side. And there's the front. Now this is the brown 2-speed model. There it is. Now to get these cages off, I think you have to, let me see here. You just kind of, yep, there, just like that. You pull them off. And there's the inside. There's the blade. It's a nice fan. I like it. It's really nice. I am very happy with this. Push these back in. Seems to be bearing just a hint of rust. Nothing major at all. Just a little bit on the cage, but that's okay. Well, plug her in, and we'll see how she runs. Find my... There she is. Plugged it in. It's quiet. Got a little bit of rubbing, and sounds like the washers on the front are tapping. It's got a nice quiet low speed. It's going to be perfect to sleep. There's my W-22 in the back. Turn it up to high speed. That is a quiet fan. I like that. Get that out of the way here. Let's check its spin down time. It's pretty good. Yeah, the blades are a little wobbly. I'm going to have to set the hub a little better. Thank you very much, Tory. I love this fan already. And I hope you like your P23 just as much. I'm going to give this thing a nice clean down and inspection, then final video. Now this one. I like the badge, the brown. And then this one's blue. Let's compare the size. Well, wow, it is shorter. Look at that. This one does have a shorter frame. Let's see the width. Looks like they're about the same width. This one could use some cleaning. Let me turn it to its side. I like the It's nice that it has the cage like that too. Let me see. Oh yeah, mine is slightly thicker too. Not by much. So yeah, this is Big Brother right here. And this is this little brother here. Push the cage in. Let's do a startup sound on high. Or let me turn it around first. It's a nice little fan, I like it. It moves a lot of air. You can see it's making my other one go nuts. There's my WC2 in the back there. So yeah, thank you very much, Tori. I love it. It runs good. I'm very happy with it. And it makes me just really pleased that you offered to do this deal with me. And I'm just glad you like your P23 just as much. And I assure you this fan is in a good home. It'll be used, and it will be taken care of and oiled as properly should be. So, thank you very much for watching, and thank you, Tori, for sending this to me. And see you in the next video that I do of this fan. I might do another one of it soon here, so I don't know. We'll just see what happens. So, thanks for watching, everybody.